Tiny device, huge impact. Here's what's actually inside a hearing aid. First, sound hits the microphone. That's the ear's front desk. It grabs incoming noise and captures speech. Next, the signal goes to the sound processor, a mini computer that cleans and shapes audio, boosting speech to make voices clearer, quieting background noise for focus, blocking feedback to prevent whistling. Then comes the amplifier. Think of it as the volume engine. It increases the signal strength suited to your hearing loss. After amplification, the receiver, basically a tiny speaker. It converts electrical signals back into sound and delivers it into your ear canal. Powering all this, a small disposable battery, or a rechargeable cell you top up nightly. That keeps the whole chain running. Modern hearing aids also use wireless chips for phone streaming and customizable programs set by your audiologist. Result? Faint muddled sounds become clearer and louder, so conversations pop and everyday noises stay comfy, not overwhelming. That's the inside story. Small tech, big clarity. Want a breakdown of one specific part next?